Hi guys, Trisha here from Decisive Designs, bringing you another beautiful tablescape. Now today's Wednesday, and it's Tablescape Wednesday. Oh, I'm stealing that from the Tablescape Tuesday crew, but anyways, today I have a beautiful burgundy table to premiere. One of the things that I love about this color is it's just dark and mysterious. And it's not too dark, but it will take it to the next level. Have you ever worn a burgundy top or a suit and a black shoes? Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. But let me tell you, you find burgundy on furnishing, couch and chairs more than walls, but definitely you can put it on your walls. I want to showcase this beautiful setting. I was lucky enough to have found this set, and I want to show you every bit of it. I started with this beautiful burgundy tablecloth. It is so beautiful. It has like gold accent within it. And then I have this beautiful beaded charger. So gorgeous, right? And I always say charger, placemat. Why I keep saying charger for placemat? Here is the charger. It is a rose gold charger to keep in the same tones. And remember, guys, monochromatic is really nice when you put tone and tone, which is the lighter version of the darker colors that you use, okay? Now, if you follow your color wheel, right? Um, the colors that are across and beside each other are best to use with each other. So definitely look at that. I remember that in art and craft class. And just feast your eyes on this beautiful plate. And one of my motto is, honey, the dinner plate. Honey, the dinner plate. The dinner plate, honey. How gorgeous. Isn't that gorgeous? I can't say enough about it. And I paired it with this nice white plate with gold accent, which is really nice. And then I top it off with burgundy and white napkin with a beaded napkin ring. How fitting. Um, Layer your looks and you can't go wrong. I added gold utensils and gold accent stemware to top it off. Isn't that nice? And then the center piece is like a 18 karat gold inlay that runs is it vertical on the table, and then this gorgeous vase with the same tone, this ruby red, and it actually grabs the colors on the table, the black on the chair color cover, the gold on the table, and then a little red from the surrounding areas of the room, which is really beautiful. And I have two gorgeous little girl angels candle holders with red candles on either side of the centerpiece, and then these flying angels with white candles. Love that. And then I have this beautiful angel here that could be a gorgeous centerpiece. I think next time when I use it, I'm going to put it in the center and just say, ooh, it's so gorgeous. And one of the things that I did at the head seat, I added this satin napkin and this puppy dog napkin ring. It's not cute. I thought that's gorgeous just to have on here, right? And then if I show you the table from afar, from behind, from above. Okay, I haven't actually shown above that, but that is beautiful from above. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful room. I love it. Just absolutely. And on this end, I added this gorgeous shiny piece of material just to complete this table. And how wonderful is that? For some reason, I always cut off my room. And look at that. It's so beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. So, guys, I'm running, not staying long. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave me comments, questions, products, anything. Leave me below, and I will get back to you. Peace.